The National Weather Service in Denver, Colorado has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for north central Jefferson County, southeastern Boulder County, and northeastern Colorado until 2:45 p.m. At 1:59 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Boulder, or 29 miles northwest of Denver, moving southeast at 15 miles an hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Arvada, Boulder, southwestern Longmont, western Broomfield, Lafayette, Louisville, Erie, Superior, Rocky Flats, El Dorado Springs, and Nawat. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.